In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up meeting pages in Brevo. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional booking experience that helps people schedule time with you without the back and forth. Start by logging into your Brevo account. From the left menu, usually under Conversations, open Meetings. If it's your first time here, click Get Started with Brevo Meetings. This quick onboarding initializes your booking page and the key options you'll use going forward, so the foundations are ready before you add your first appointment. Next, create your first meeting type. Think of meeting types as the different kinds of appointments people can book, like a quick intro call, a product demo, or a consultation. Click Create Meeting Type and choose how the meeting will be hosted. You can keep it simple with one host, which means every booking goes to you, or select rotating hosts if you're working with a team. Rotating hosts lets you assign multiple users, so bookings are distributed among them, which is great for teams that share the workload and want to keep calendars balanced. Now configure the details your clients will see. Give the meeting a clear, friendly name and add a short description that sets expectations, what the meeting covers, and who it's for. Choose the meeting mode: video call, phone, or in person. If you select video, pick the tool you want Brevo to use to generate links automatically. You can use Brevo's built-in video, Zoom, or Google Meet. Set the duration so people know how much time to plan for. Common choices are 15, 30, or 60 minutes. If this is a paid session, add a price so the cost is transparent on the booking page. If it's free, simply leave it blank. Finally, set initial availability for this meeting type so Brevo knows when to offer time slots. After you create the meeting type, refine your availability. Define default hours, like weekdays from 9 to 5, and make sure your time zone reflects where you're scheduling. If your hours vary by day, adjust them to match your real-world schedule. For the smoothest experience, connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. With that connection in place, Brevo automatically respects your existing commitments and hides times when you're busy, helping you avoid double bookings and last-minute conflicts. That's the core setup. You've logged in, opened meetings, completed the onboarding, created a meeting type with the right hosting model, configured the essential details, and set your availability with Calendar Sync. With these pieces in place, your Brevo meeting page is ready to accept bookings in a clear, convenient, and reliable way.